All right, everybody, I was sent this WowCatch insect non-toxic bug thing. With all of the construction going on in my house, I have flies in my house. You can look at them and see them on the windows. Look, so I'm gonna try to see how many flies we can get with this WowCatch. I know it's great for mosquitoes, which is awesome, but look at, there are just flies flying around everywhere. We have flies that are still coming up the vents because the vents aren't on yet. The furnace person hasn't come. So for right now, I'm hoping this will do a great job. So I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna get it going. Okay, here it is in the package. Here are the little stickies. Let's pull this out. As you can see, my house is still under construction. Oh, and there's one sticky in there already, which I love. Okay, and here's the outlet. Now I'm gonna put it over here, which is up a little higher because then I know the cats can't reach it. So that's where I'm gonna put it, right here on the floor. I'm gonna sit and attach it here. I'm doing this one-handed right now here. So we're gonna attach this. See how this goes onto here like this. All right, give me a second, I'll show you. Okay, so super easy. We have this little thing where we can just pull the sticky right up. Right up. Like that. So I'm just gonna pull the sticky off like that. Okay, then I just attached this. I'm literally just gonna plug it in like that. And look at it, it shows a blue light, which is gonna attract the bugs and they're gonna get caught on the sticky. We will check on this tomorrow and see if it's catching those flies for us. All right, so we got a couple little bugs in there. Not as much as I thought. So I'm gonna continue to let this collect little bugs. I got one fly. With all the flies in my house, I thought this thing would be full. It looks like it got a couple fruit flies. Yeah, I will let it go. Honestly, I thought it would really attract more. So that's my honest opinion. I'm always honest with everybody, but I'm gonna let it go for a few more days and we'll see if it collects any more. So I think this Wow bug catcher did pretty good. It caught 3 big flies and a whole bunch of little small fruit flies. So I'm now going to change the little sticky thing and we'll use a new one. I'm going to show how easy and mess-free it is here. So for this one, I'll just pull this off here. Take it off like this. And then I will just put the new one in. This, trying to do this one-handed. That's why I'll show you how easy it is. Slid this in, and then I'm going to take the sticky paper off. Just pull that. All right, then I just pull the sticky paper off like that. Then I will just put this right back on like that, and there we go. We have it all ready to catch more little bugs. Super simple. All right, everyone, there you have it. The Wow Non-Toxic Fly Gnat Mosquito Bug Catcher. I'll put the link in the description below. Have a great day, everyone. Be blessed. Thanks for watching. Remember, you're loved.